An 11-year-old girl was allegedly assaulted by a man at a madrasa in Nagar, Bengaluru on February 16. The incident was captured on CCTV cameras installed on the premises. According to the police, the victim's mother filed a complaint on Wednesday stating that her daughter, a 5th class student at the madrasa hostel since July 2024, was assaulted by Muhammad Hassan, the son of the hostel in charge. Hassan reportedly visited the hostel frequently. On the afternoon of February 16, the girl was summoned to the office where Hassan allegedly assaulted her for spilling rice and quarreling with other hostel girls during playtime. The Kothunur police have registered a case under Section 75 of the Juvenile Justice Act, Punishment for Cruelty to Children, and Section 115 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, voluntarily causing hurt. Hassan has been arrested in connection with the incident.